In an old, forgotten barn, where sunlight sliced through the thick, dusty air like golden blades, a story of resurrection was about to begin. The air was heavy with the scent of aged wood, hay, and time itself. An old mechanic, with hands weathered by decades of grease and metal, moved with a familiar purpose. He approached a shape hidden beneath a heavy, worn tarp in the corner. With a gentle yet firm pull, he unveiled not just a car, but a ghost from a glorious past. It was a classic rally car, a hero of dirt roads and hairpin turns, now dormant and cloaked in neglect. A close-up reveals the faded emblem on its grille, a symbol of bygone speed and glory, now barely visible beneath layers of grime. The camera pans across the body, where rust has painted its own intricate, decaying patterns over the original livery, a testament to years of silent waiting. The journey to bring this legend back to life was an arduous one, a testament to dedication and skill. The workshop became a sanctuary of revival, filled with the sounds of tireless effort. A montage captures the mechanic in his element, a blur of motion and focused intensity. Every bolt and screw was carefully cataloged as the car was stripped down to its very soul, each piece a chapter in its storied history. The raw chassis, exposed and vulnerable, was then subjected to the harsh, cleansing storm of a sandblaster, erasing the scars of time and revealing the pure, strong steel beneath. The heart of the machine, its engine, was laid bare on the workbench. Intricate scenes show the mechanic's hands, steady and precise, as he meticulously rebuilds the complex assembly, replacing worn pistons and polishing tarnished components until they shone like new. Finally, the moment of rebirth arrived as a spray gun hissed to life, blanketing the perfectly prepped bodywork in the first vibrant coat of its iconic racing blue, smooth and flawless as glass. The air in the workshop grew still, thick with anticipation. The moment of truth had arrived. The mechanic, his face etched with a mixture of hope and nervous energy, slid into the newly upholstered driver's seat. The smell of fresh paint and clean oil filled the cockpit. He inserted the polished key into the ignition, his hand hesitating for a fraction of a second before turning it. The engine sputtered, a brief, hesitant cough that seemed to echo the car's long slumber. Another turn, a deeper grumble, a struggle against inertia. And then, with a final determined twist, it happened. A deafening, glorious roar erupted from the exhaust, a raw, untamed sound that vibrated through the very foundations of the barn. The engine was alive, its powerful rhythm a symphony of mechanical perfection. A wide, proud smile spread across the mechanic's face, his eyes gleaming with a satisfaction that ran deeper than words. It was the smile of a creator, an artist who had not just restored a machine, but had breathed life back into a legend. The final scene is one of pure, unadulterated freedom. The fully restored rally car is no longer a static museum piece, but a living, breathing beast in its natural habitat. It tears down a winding dirt road, its tires biting into the gravel, kicking up a magnificent plume of dust that hangs in the golden afternoon light. The sun glints off its new paint and polished chrome as it drifts elegantly around a corner, a blur of speed and color against the rustic landscape. As the dust settles, a final breathtaking beauty shot captures the gleaming car, poised and powerful. It stands not just as a piece of restored metal, but as a legend reborn, its engine humming with the promise of new adventures and stories yet to be written on the open road.